Yeah, I haven't been out in the shed lately. Very cold. But I had some problems with my hands. Since then, I have had surgery on the right hand. Kind of went in there and cut the tendonitis. Whatever. Feels a lot better. I still have issues with my left hand. Cortisone or whatever the hell they call it. Stuck in there the other day. It's feeling better. I'm behind in a lot of stuff. I've just a couple ideas I got for casting requests. Gun cabinet. It's just a little pistol cabinet. All right, let's get started. All right, what we got here is like a gun cabinet. You know, a little pistol. I don't like the way the seams are, so I'm going to weld them shut. Put some weld down along the edge. And kind of grind it out, make it look good. Yeah, that should clean up nice. Well, there it is, smoothed out. Right here, found some brass. I'm going to put a brass plate there then. Let's forget the name in there. Damn, it's cold out here. Wow, that's shiny, ain't it? We'll rivet it in after I'm done painting. We ain't painting today. It is too cold. Paint won't lay. Just have to warm the shed up. That'll take a whole day. Next weekend. Luke. Look, you want to know why this was bad? Yeah. Buying paint from Ollie's is definitely a hit or miss. And I missed this one. Espresso. Oh man, I guess that ain't too bad. Definitely gives it a textured look on it. Alright, I put a piece of carpet in there to be nice on the contents. Too tall. Locked up. Another cut. Finally. Well, there we go. A nice box. We put ammo in there. Clip. Kind of loaded. Safety is on. This is one of those cheap Hi-Point 9mm. And as you can see, there's plenty of room in there. Oh yeah. Now, I suppose, where do you think this was made at? Let's see here.